Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Big Al once again. I hope everybody's doing good. I do have another challenge lock here that I would like to try to get picked on camera. It is called, let's see if I can get that over there, Stage Right. That's the name of the challenge lock, and it is pinned by P60, I think it says, which is the Bronx Lock Picker. I hope I got that right. Bronx Lock Picker. Sorry, that's who it's pinned by. And again, Stage Right, it's called. And I gotta tell you, it's a fancy looking key. Here's the lock right here. Look at this fancy key though. Is that a cool looking key? It says Ruswin. I think it's just a fancy looking key. I don't know. I'm kind of been really excited about locks. I guess that's why when I found Locksport, I just fell in love with it right away. And this one's no different, especially when they got cool looking keys like that. There's the bitting on it, by the way. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, we got her clamped up. We're going to try to use top of the keyway, I believe, if I can get one to fit. Yep, we can do that. Okay. Should fit good. Yep. Good enough. It's either that or put a loose one in there. I don't like loose ones. Okay. I guess I will try with my usual, the little nub from Sparrows. And there is a little, let me go like this. There, you see that little ledge right here? I'm going to try to pick right off that ledge. And it's a little sloped, but I think I can, since I have to kind of pick that way anyways, like kind of like that, I should be able to stay on that slope right there. So, alright, get a little feel for it. Everything's kind of springy, except for in the back. So we got a binder in the back. Alright, so let's dig in, shall we? Let's give it a stab. Alright, now where they're bouncy up here, so I'm going to go right in. Well, I say that, but alright, I think I'm on 4. Got a little click. Hope you've seen that core move. Four, okay, 3, I think it's 3. Well, if I can stay under it. Oh yeah, 3, you seen that counter rotation? Big time. Actually, I'm still getting some counter off of it, but let me make sure that's the chosen one. Let me feel for some more. Okay, we got, I think it's right, number 1. You see that? Okay, got a click, another click. I don't know if that's all of it. Okay, now it is. You see that nice turn? Now we did it. That was a lot. Okay, 2 doesn't really give me nothing. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me switch to excuse me, I got an itch. The slightly taller from Sparrows again. 4, 5, 5, 4, okay, 4, well, let's see, 3, 2, well, 2, 1, 2, I think it's right here. That's the only one that's giving me feedback. You see that? I'm going to have to go for it. Okay. Got a click off of it. Not getting nothing from 5. Okay, 4. Oh. 3. Okay, got that false set back, I guess. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Well, 5 set or not. 3. Whoa, there we go. I think I touched 2 and it just gave up. It just gave up. It gave it to me. Okay, get back out a little bit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, keep that bad boy in frame here. Bring y'all down over here. That'll be good. Some light. Painting tray. That was a nice little fighter. Let's see. Not good? Oh, it could be okay. Alright, we'll see how it goes. 1 screw for easy opening. Nice. I appreciate that. Bronx Lock Picker. Thank you so much. Okay, we do have a key, so I can, as you can see, it is very much open. So, lock it back up. We'll see if I can get a shim in there. I think that's the top. Ooh, okay. Let's see. See what the right size is for this bad boy. That looks good. Alright, I'm going to give it a shot. Pin should be on my side. We got it. We got it. We got it. Alright. 5 pins all pinned up. Oh, I could already see some threading. Yep. Oh yeah, he's got creative with these pins. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Shim out of there. You know what? I could have used a bigger follower in this. Yeah. Wonder if it's too late to do that. Think I can pull this off? I got it. Oh, that was the wrong one. I ain't even kidding. That was the wrong one. There's the right one. Let me see if I can do this without destroying everything. Ready? There we go. Alright. Boy, that was a treat. Never done that before. Okay. Light over here. We focused? I hope we are. Alright. Yeah, that was a trip. Alright, pin 1. Nice. Okay, it's not a 2-piece. It's just a, looks like serrated. I don't think it's 2. No, it's just a serrated in number 1. Spring. Looks like T-pin maybe in number 2. Oh yeah. Yep. T-pin in number 2. It's like different spring too. Psychological warfare. Oh yeah. Nice long serrated in number 3. When it's kind of reduced at the top there too. Yeah. And I believe you had another different spring. Okay, that was 3, so 4. 4 is a, you call that a spool with a sharp top. And last but not least, number 5. Ooh, nice long serrated. And the last spring. That's my neighbor over there, acting a fool. They're always acting a fool. Freaking pisses me off. Okay. Anyways, excuse me, the core. Everything's threaded in the core. All 5. Hopefully it's picking that up. They're all threaded. And there's nothing up top. It's sealed up, so there's nothing done in the top. Alrighty. Let me move this light over here like this. And grab my dealio. A fancy, beautiful looking key. Again, that was by the Bronx Lock Picker, and it's called where am I at? Stage right. And let me go like this. Looks good. Okay, key pin number 1. I'd call that spoolie, right? Number 2, couple of serrations. 3, serrated. 4, I'd call that a spool and serrated, because this is more spool-like. Number 5, same thing. It's kind of spoolie right here, and then serrated up top. And then the driver pins or upper pins, I'd call that just double serrated. Number 2, we got a serrated and T-pin. 3, serrated, and this is a little bit reduced right here, I guess, to grab real good, which it did. And 4, I'd call that a spool with a sharp end on it. And 5, fully serrated all the way up. And the springs are slightly different, as you can see, for different tensions. And that worked out pretty good too, because it was a pretty tough little lock. Okay, again, Stage Right from Bronx Lock Picker. Thank you so much for making a lock and get it out in the community. And to y'all watching this, thank y'all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.